Hello students, today we will learn about Microsoft Sway. Sway is a digital storytelling application. It is a part of the Microsoft Office package and is designed for creating and sharing personal stories, interactive reports, presentations, newsletters and more in an entirely different way. Colorful and interactive interface of Sway is based around a storyline into which you do most of your work. Unlike PowerPoint, it is primarily used for presenting ideas on screen rather than to an audience. There is no option for creating content in Sway itself, though you can import an existing Word, PowerPoint or PDF document from which a new Sway story can be created with headings, text and media. The purpose of Sway is to convey the concepts quickly, easily and clearly. Okay, know the fact. Sway was launched in August 2015. This software is available as the downloadable app for Windows 10, iPhone and iPad or as part of the Office Online. Okay, first let us understand features of Sway. Adding interactive content. You can bring your Sway to life with interactive content by adding a video to talk about ideas or adding an interactive chart to let others dive into details. Ready content for all devices. With Sway, you can create an attractive content which can adapt itself to all devices so that your ideas always get the best treatment. See suggested search results. Sway suggests searches to help you find relevant images, videos, tweets and other content that you can drag and drop into your creation. Inbuilt design engine. You need not have any design skills to format your content, as Sway's inbuilt design engine takes care of it by providing various choices to customize the content. Easy to share by sending a link. Sway presentations are stored on the cloud and can be easily shared with family, friends, classmates and co-workers. They can be viewed and edited from any web browser with user's Microsoft account. You can also share your Sway with others via a link. Adding media via social media. In Sway, you can add different media via social media accounts, such as interesting photos directly from Facebook, searching Twitter and inserting tweets, and adding videos from YouTube. Use creative navigation styles. Sway provides you with multiple options to navigate with horizontal or vertical structures of your content. Okay, let's know more. Sway supports animated GIFs. Animated GIFs as background can create amazing effects. Students, now let us find out how to access Sway. To get started with Sway, follow the given steps. Visit www.sway.com in any browser and click on the Sign In option on the right corner of the top menu bar. A Welcome to Sway pop-up window will appear. Enter the email address which you would like to use to sign into Sway: Hotmail, Outlook.com, Gmail. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up for Free link on the Welcome to Sway pop-up window. The Create Account page will appear in the browser window. Enter the email address and create a password for your Sway account. Click on the Next button. Check your inbox and follow the instructions to finish setting up your Microsoft account. Use the email address with which you have created the Sway account and the password to sign in into Sway. After signing in, the My Sways page opens. Click on the Create New tab on the top right corner to start creating your first Sway. Students, let's know more. Homepage www.sway.com, where you can find tutorials and examples showing what you can make in Sway. You need not sign into Sway to see the homepage. Okay, let us understand components of Sway user interface. Sway has a 3-pane interface. The leftmost area includes the cards pane, which can be turned off by clicking on the close button on its top right corner. The rightmost area contains the preview pane, where you can preview your work in progress at any time. It shows how your sway will appear to others when you decide to share it later on. Right in between these two panes is Sway Storyline area. Storyline is the most important part of the Sway. It is the area where you type, insert, edit, remove, reorder, set the layout of each card, and format the Sway content that depicts your story. You can use different cards such as text, images, videos, and documents to build the content of your Sway. Users add a series of cards onto the storyline. These cards are then filled with different types of content and can be rearranged as and when required. You can also group them together into sections. On the top of the Sway window is the Sway menu bar, which provides the following options: Storyline, Card, More option, Preview, Office app switcher. Okay, let's know more. The accessibility view in Sway displays a high contrast style for easier reading. This view disables the animations and supports keyboard navigation for use with screen readers. You can turn it on by clicking on the More Options menu and then selecting the Accessibility View option, or press Alt plus Shift plus V.